Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to this week's video. So I got something very exciting in the post yesterday. You can probably see it already. I got a parcel. I'm not going to show you the top of it because it's got my address on it. Let's see, can I block it out? My name. It's got my name on it. So I won a giveaway. There were 4 winners and I was one of the winners. I won a book and some bookish goodies. I think I'm pronouncing her name right. Kerree Kendall. I'm really sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name right. When it comes down to like names, I'm awful. So while I'm apologizing for that, I will also apologize for getting any pronunciations from this book right. But yeah, I won some bookish goodies, some homemade bookish goodies, and the first book in her series. I also got a digital copy of the book, which I have on my Kindle and I cannot wait to read. And a song from the book, which is very cool and very excited. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start opening this now. I'm really excited to see what's in this. I'm not kidding when I say it arrived yesterday and I got so excited. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I can't turn it that way. Ah! Where's it tied? Oh, it's tied here. Okay. Can I undo it? No. I don't think I have scissors in here either anymore. Okay. Let's see. Can she? She can. She can. She got it. I also have 2 pieces of chocolate pastry, like homemade pan au chocolat that my little sister made, which is delicious. How do I do this? I'm gonna cut this off for a minute. Okay, I just cut off the video while I ripped it open because I had to flip it. Hold on. It's in a box. Can she get it out? Just rip it. Just gonna rip it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at it. So Times of Change is the name of the book. That's gorgeous. Hold on, I want to get a picture of this. I took a picture of the box because it's so gorgeous. Hold on. The sun is shining again today. Not that I'm complaining, but it does make it very hard to film. So I apologize for the really weird shadows. Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's got, okay, hold on, I'm gonna bring you down for this. So open this. And this is what greets you. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. Okay, I have a little note. I'm gonna try setting you up on my ring light and just see. Okay, you can't see the box, but I'm going to show you what it all is anyway. Oh. So I got a little note. I'm going to read it. Congratulations. I do hope you enjoy the book and all the goodies that come with it. I apologise for the editing in this current version of the novel. It is an old copy. I'm currently unpublished, so all the editing, designing and promotion is done by myself. If you have time, may I ask you support my work by leaving a review on Amazon or Goodreads. Thank you again, and thank you for your support. And it's printed on like this gorgeous, like, it looks like parchment paper. Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, she's an unpublished indie author. I will leave a link down below to her social medias, her website and the Amazon where you can buy the book. So yeah, and I really suggest you buy the book. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. Oh, it's in a bag. So it's got like a, I'm gonna guess it's like a scorpion and a wolf. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I really love it. There's something else under all this tissue paper as well. I'm gonna lie that down. It's a map! It's a map! It's a map! It's a map! Oh my days! It's a map! Oh, that looks amazing! Oh my goodness. Right, the box is empty, so I'm gonna move the box so I can actually look at all this stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. There's places like Essex and Kent and Sussex. Is this like... That's England. It's Britain. Didn't know that. That's so cool. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna angle you down. Okay, I have yet to figure out filming on the ring light, so we're just going back there for now. Oh my goodness, it's a map. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna open the bag. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Oh, I love it. Okay, so it's a big, big thing. I'm seeing a bookmark, people. I'm seeing a bookmark. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to open this. Yeah, okay. Right, look at it. It's like wrapped in gold with a sticker on the front. Okay, let's open it. Oh my days! Look at it! It's huge. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Right, I'm gonna, hold on. I got a little note. Okay, so that's got her like social on it. So pretty. This is so cool. Oh my days, it's massive. It's got a map. It's got a map and a little note. Okay, so this is like a, so as you like, you can, I don't want to like, hold on, I'll show you the first page. So it's a the editing quality, so it's not like been edited properly. So I got a little note in it that says, due to the editing quality of this book, this is an old version, free digital Kindle copies will be given with every book bought. So I got a digital copy for my Kindle. Oh my days, it's so beautiful. I love it. So pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And the cover, oh, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna put the bookmark in the book. I'm gonna put the bookmark in the book. In the book. Hold on. Don't get caught in it. The tassel's caught. It's been caught. Come on. So this is book 1. So this is Times of Change, and then here it says future titles. Times past, times best left forgotten, times of awakening, and times for violence. And it says, not all monsters hide in the dark. Oh, it sounds so amazing. And it's map. It's so beautiful. Oh, I need to frame this. Oh, I really hope I have a picture frame somewhere, because I need to frame this. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Right. It's so pretty. Right. Thank you guys so much for watching me unbox this stunning book. go and get your copies of Times of Change right now. I will leave a link down below. Like I said, I will also leave a link down below to the author's Instagram, her website, everything, you know. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I finished filming. I was putting all the rubbish away and I looked down in the box and there's this. There's more. I don't know. Bladan? I'm not quite sure how to say that. I don't know what's in here. Oh, what is it? It's like I think, oh, what is it? I don't know. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is, but it looks so cool. Looks really cool.